You might assume getting approved for a mortgage to buy a house is impossible if you have poor or bad credit. However, even with a subpar score, there could still be options for you. So, how to buy a house with bad credit? What is the minimum credit score to get a mortgage? How much will a low credit score cost you? What are the home loans for borrowers with bad credit? In this video we are going to talk about those. So, let's go to the video. Minimum credit score to get a mortgage. There is no credit score threshold that will definitely disqualify you from getting a mortgage, but the lower your score, the harder it will be to find a lender to approve you for a loan. For conventional conforming loans, a 620 credit score is typically the minimum for consideration, while government-backed loans tend to offer more flexibility with lower credit scores. Many mortgage lender advertisements for the best interest rates, however, assume a credit score of at least 740 or higher. Credit scores generally range from 300 to 850, though some scoring models for auto loans and bank credit cards can stretch from 250 to 900. One of the most common scoring models is the FICO score. Here's how the population breaks down in terms of credit scores, according to FICO. 800 to 850, exceptional, 21%. 740 to 799, very good, 25%. 670 to 739, good, 21%. 580 to 669, fair, 17%. 300 to 579, poor, 16%. Keep in mind that your score can vary between the three credit reporting bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Most lenders look at the middle credit score of the three when considering you for a mortgage. How much will a low credit score cost you? Mortgage lenders check your credit score when deciding whether to approve your loan application. It doesn't just impact whether you're approved, though it also plays a major role in the interest rate you receive. The best mortgage rates are reserved for the borrowers who present the lowest risk. Lenders consider other factors as well, including loan-to-value, LTV, and debt-to-income DTI ratios, but credit scores are especially important. How to get a mortgage with bad credit? While getting a mortgage for a home or refinancing with less than perfect credit can cost more, it might still be more appealing than continuing to pay rent. Here are tips to help you get a mortgage with bad credit. Shop around. Every mortgage lender is different, and some are able to offer lower rates than others. Research shows that getting multiple rate quotes can save you thousands over a 30-year mortgage. Think bigger than banks. Banks are not the only mortgage game in town. There are non-bank and online lenders, credit unions, and other types of lenders, and they all want your business. Let them compete for it to see where you get the best offer. Explore bad credit home loans. If you're a first-time home buyer or otherwise qualify for low-income loan programs, you have options beyond a conventional loan. VA loans and USDA loans have no down payment requirement, and no set credit score requirement, so ask your lender whether you're eligible. The Fannie Mae Home Ready and Freddie Mac Home One and Home Possible loan programs are worth exploring, too, along with many first-time homebuyer programs. Find a cosigner. If you have bad credit, you might consider asking a family member or friend with better credit to cosign your mortgage. This can help give your application a boost, but only if the cosigner is able and willing to take on the debt. See if you qualify for down payment assistance. If you're looking to get a mortgage with bad credit, you might be worried about coming up with a down payment, or hoping to boost your down payment to compensate for your credit situation. There are more than 2,500 down payment assistance programs nationwide, so there could be one you qualify for. Don't make any big changes to your finances. A new credit card or big purchase can push down your credit score, so avoid taking on or applying for new debt during the mortgage application process. Watch for guaranteed approval loans. If you see ads promising guaranteed approval for a mortgage regardless of credit, it's a red flag. Under federal rules, a lender must verify the ability of a borrower to repay a mortgage, so there can't be a guarantee unless that happens. On these kinds of offers, you might even get that guaranteed approval, but it'll come with excessive or inflated costs. Home loans for borrowers with bad credit. Conventional non-conforming loan. Even with bad credit, you might be able to qualify for a conventional loan that's non-conforming, or falls outside of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac's requirements for factors like a credit score. This can be an option if you've declared bankruptcy or are otherwise credit challenged. FHA loan. FHA loans are insured by the Federal Housing Administration and allow lenders to accept a credit score as low as 580 with a 3.5% down payment, or as low as 500 with a 10% down payment. The drawback here is that you'll pay mortgage insurance. VA loan. If you're a member of the military, a veteran or married to someone who has served in the armed forces, one of your benefits is the VA loan program backed by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. You don't have to come up with a down payment for this type of loan, and there are no minimum credit score requirements, although lenders do have their own credit standards. USDA loan. If you meet certain qualifications, earn less than a certain amount each year and want to buy a property in a certain area, the U.S. Department of Agriculture-backed lending program can help you become a homeowner with subpar credit. Should you get a mortgage or increase your credit score first? Should you take out a mortgage now, or increase your credit score before you apply for financing? The best answer: plan ahead. Credit scores continually fluctuate, so it's worth taking steps to improve your score before embarking on a home purchase. A small increase can make a big difference. For example, even if you only raise your credit score to 665 or so from 650, you might be able to cut your mortgage costs significantly. Over the course of a 30-year mortgage, for instance, your monthly payment will be lower, and you would save more than $29,000, based on the above example from Myfico. In this video, we discussed how to buy a house with bad credit. If you got this video helpful, please give a thumbs up to the video. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this. Thanks for watching.